This is Port Credit, South Mississauga, known for its iconic lighthouse, spectacular waterfront views. The vibe will truly win you over, and one of my favorite places to be. Hello, and welcome to Port Credit, Mississauga. Every Thursday of the month of August is Classic Cars Thursday. So I'm going to take you through a little bit, and you'll see a variety of classic cars along the streets east of Hurontario and Lakeshore, as well as performers and local musicians. So come on, let's go.
House band for 15 years. Now we're the ex-Q107 house band. We do everything from classic rock to blues and folk, and we do a little everything.
Spread our roots, and I come from Venezuela, and I love playing in Mississauga and everywhere because we're trying to merge the English-speaking people with the Spanish-speaking people and put it all together.
There's an energy about Port Credit that it's high energy, it's a lot of fun, there's so many things to do.
Mississauga is very inviting, especially at this time of the year. So nice.
I love this town. I used to live here. I have a lot of friends here, so that's why I come here.
I love playing Mississauga. It's my hometown, so I love it.
I like Mississauga. I like the people. I like the spot for this one, the exhibition car.
My name is Hazel. I'm a local here in Port Credit. One, it's a beautiful day, and I really like the community that Port Credit has and holds.
Well, I just live down the street, so I'm a member of the community, so I'm biased, but I love the community because it's very artsy and it's very eclectic and has a lot of mom and pop stores, and it's got a lot of stuff that you don't see in other places, and everybody's a really cool bluesy community. Once again, if you're looking for news about arts and events, please check out martyshub.com. You can also find me, Jennifer, aka the Prof, on the artist directory on martyshub.com. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.